4 direct.
You can't get us the max.
You're eastbound Ford Road from South Hamilton. Yes, that's Super 1063, patched MPD SB, or correction, Little Rock PD. 65th Street. It's going to be 65th. They cut across 65th. They're getting on 30. Looks like we got a trooper here with us.
815 on primary, LRPD calls.
Alright, in the pursuit now. Right now, I copy. Keep to Little Rock Angela. 10-4, getting 92. The second one, and I'll be the third one, X83. Still eastbound on 30. He's been pitted. Stand by, conducting felony takedown.
Okay, Bob, one more. Take him into cover.
My help! Oh!
What do you need me to do?
We just need his legs out. Go ahead and start moving.
Can you get on that side and get his legs and push him out?
Copy. What's your exact location?
I got you.
Eastbound on 30, just north of 64.
Probably about a half mile.
Start fire as well.
Shut that car off as soon as you can, too. Joe, can you kill the car? Thank you.
Where's that Stovall?
Yep.
I'll use Space House clearance north 0230.
I love that. Couldn't have been in a better position.
Thank you.
No, yeah. I was westbound.
Up without like 25 seconds. It's like how they get there.
I literally just worked an
Hey,
accident on this
let's
car,
get him
too.
set up. He may be passed out.
Dude, whenever I saw him at 67, I was like, geez, that's the best time I've ever
Set
seen.
him up.
You're good. Relax. Relax. You're good. You're good.
I don't know if they told you we're 1015, you can unpatch.
Wake up. Hey, wake up. You good? Wake up. Remember, hurts. What's your name? 6-3. Adam. What's your name, man? 3. Ah, Sterling Silver.
Hit the girl right here.
Buddy, I know I recognize you. Is this it? It's Sterling. Sterling. Why'd you hit that girl earlier with your car and run?
I didn't.
Oh, man, come on now.
That's a lie, and you know it.
No.
How we know Sterling?
We arrested him for felony criminal trespass. Go ahead. I was busy. Second. No, I think it's superficial. It's somebody that did it. Will you generate an incident, please? And there's no damage to my car. I got you.